Alright, so making money launching meme coins in 2025 has honestly gotten so easy that being a crypto millionaire really isn't that impressive anymore. I've made over $1.6 million doing this, and I can refresh it so you can see I'm legit and I'm not trying to show off or anything. I just want you to see that I actually have results from this. So today I'm going to break down my entire system, like literally step by step. We're talking how to pick the right platform, how to find concepts that actually sell, how to build the meme coin, how to set up a liquidity pool, how to get people to actually buy your coin, and of course, the most important step, how to profit from your meme coin launch. So let's do it. Now, before we get started, I gotta tell you why 99% of people completely fail at this. They pick terrible platforms, they rush through their concept, and then they wonder why nobody's buying their coin. So the first thing is platform choice. This is huge, and most people get it completely wrong. You've got all of these platforms like Pump.fun, PEAP, Bonk, LaunchLab. There's literally dozens of them. But here's the problem. When you use these platforms, you don't actually own your liquidity. They control everything, which means you can't really maximize your profits. Plus, these platforms are so simple to use that literally hundreds of coins get launched every minute. Look at this madness. It's just completely insane. Your coin isn't going anywhere if you launch here. So what I personally use instead is Raydium. Yeah, it's a bit more technical, but with the right tools, it's really not that hard. The main thing is you actually control your own liquidity, which means way more profit potential. Plus, there's way less competition because most people are too lazy to figure out how to launch on Raydium. I mean, I've tried launching on these other platforms before, and honestly, the results were just terrible. Like barely any visibility, and even when coins did okay, I couldn't control the liquidity properly. With Raydium, I can actually manage everything the way I want to. Alright, this next step is literally make or break. Your concept is literally everything. Get it right and people throw money at your coin, get it wrong, and you just wasted a bunch of time. Most people just pick random garbage and then get surprised when it flops. Like even though crypto people will buy almost anything, you still need something that's at least funny or about a trending topic. So how do I find winning concepts? I've got 3 different approaches that I personally use, and I'll show you exactly how I do each one. So my first approach is checking what's trending on dexscreener. I'll go to this trending section and see what themes are popping off today. Here's something most people don't get. Just because something was trending last month, that doesn't mean they'll work today. This space moves very fast. Sometimes stuff that was printing money last week is completely dead now. That's why I only look at what's trending right now. What I do is browse through what's here and think what angle hasn't been covered yet. Like right now there's tons of animal themed coins everywhere, so maybe I'd do something like, I don't know, billionaire pig or whatever. Then to create a logo, I could use something like Canva or even AI. But honestly, if you're new to this, I wouldn't really recommend this method. You don't know what works yet, so this is more for when you have more experience. I only started using this method after I launched like 20 or 30 coins and I really understood the patterns. So now method 2, copy what already works. This is way better for beginners and it's actually what I recommend most people start with. What I do is find coins that are doing well but haven't exploded yet. Something in the $50,000 to $200,000 market cap range. Then I basically recreate my own version of that coin. Here's how I do it. Go to a platform like Bullx or Axiom, Photon, Shamjan, whatever you like. On this trending section, find something you like with a decent market cap. So let's see. This one, for example. Copy this address. Go to explorer.solana.com. Paste the address here, select this, and boom. You got all the coin details, logo, everything. And if you right-click the image and save it, you now got a proven concept to work with. This is smart, because you're not gambling on untested ideas. You're using something that already proved people will buy it. I use this method for most of my launches just because it's so reliable. The key thing I look for is coins with good engagement, but not too much hype yet. Like if something's already at $5 million market cap, it's probably too late. But if it's sitting at 200,000 and has active trading, that's perfect for this method. But even this copying method can be annoying with all the manual work. So here's my favorite shortcut. One-click copy. This is basically the same as the previous method, but instead of doing everything manually, I just click one button and the coin is cloned. To do this, I use solanatokenlabs.io on this copied trending tokens page. Here, just browse through their list of trending coins, find one you like, and click Create Token. But for my new viewers today, I make manual token to clear the science behind the token creation. First, we start with the logo. You need something that grabs attention, something that's blowing up online. Memes, viral celebrities, gaming nostalgia, anything that's trending. For this one, I'm using a Tim Cheese image. It's my lucky charm. Just resize it to 500 by 500 pixels, download it, and you're set. Now jump back to solanatokenlabs.io and connect your wallet. You'll get a pop-up asking for authorization. Just click confirm and you're in. Next, we move to filling in the token details. I'm naming this one Cheese Call and shortening it to Tim to keep it short and catchy. Upload the logo you just downloaded, hit next, and keep going. For the description, I'm writing Tim Cheese. When you reach the token settings page, don't touch anything. It's already perfectly configured. You want that full 1 billion token supply, we'll need it later. Just click next and move forward. Now you'll see the option to add social media links. You can skip this part. I always do. It's never been a problem with Raydium launches. Just smash that skip button and continue. Next screen asks if you want to add creator info and a project website, but it costs 0.1 Solana. Honestly, it's not worth it. Just toggle it off and keep your SOL. Skip it and move on. Now comes one of the coolest features, custom token addresses. solanatokenlabs.io lets you add endings like pump or moon to your token's address. It makes it look like it launched through Pump.fun, which helps build trust, attract buyers, and boost early hype. However, if you put moon or pump like suffix having 4 alphabets, it will take around 20 minutes to update on solanatokenlabs.io. So if you want to avoid long wait while creating your coin, add PM or MO, like 2 alphabets in small. After that, you'll see 3 toggle switches. This part is super important. Make sure every single one stays turned on. If you turn off revoke freeze, it means you can freeze trading anytime, which is a big red flag. If you turn off revoke mint, it means you can mint unlimited tokens, another huge red flag. If you turn off revoke update, it means you can change the contract whenever you want. Massive red flag. Serious investors notice these things right away. If they see anything disabled, they'll run. So leave all the toggles on and click Launch my token now. Your wallet will pop up asking for final approval. Confirm it with 1 click and boom. Your token is officially live on Solana. Checking Sol scan as we speak. Perfect. It's live. But listen, we still need to handle one more critical task before this becomes tradable. Moving forward, return to solanatokenlabs.io and select Create Liquidity Pool, which will immediately transition you to Raydium's platform. Priority 1, verify your wallet is properly connected. Now the essential step, making our meme token the foundation. Click on the token selector, then briefly return to solanatokenlabs.io to copy your coin's unique identifier. Back in Raydium, paste that address in the search box positioned under the token selection instruction. Now we'll specify our token details. For this demo, I'm inputting TIM as the symbol and Cheese Call as the project name. Press Add User Token to confirm. Then select your token one more time. We're supplying 900 million from our total 1 billion, ideal for a meme coin. Select Solana as your pairing. This is the best part. Being the first liquidity provider means you can max out your position risk-free. First things first, deduct that 0.2 SOWH fee from your total amount cause of the creation fee. I'm pointing out the fee tier should be set at 2%. After triple checking all your inputs, select Initialize Liquidity Pool and confirm to approve the required transaction. Perfect. Our liquidity pool is now operational and the coin is tradable. A quick glance at Photon shows our listing is live. So the second option is manual social media promotion, posting on Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, Discord, all that stuff. It's free, but it takes forever. And honestly, it doesn't work that way. I tried this approach for my first few launches, and it was just exhausting. Plus, the results were pretty okay. Not the worst, not the best. So thankfully, we still have a third option, which is what I actually use now, which is automated social media promotion. I use remote, means not comp for this, but it can be any similar promotion websites. What I do is base my token address. You select a promotion type. They've got the free option that works fine or the advanced ones for 3 hours. I'll go with the advanced so you can see the full potential of this tool. But if you're just starting out, The free one looks great, so just promote memecoin, accept the transaction. It's going to take a few seconds. And then now for the next 3 hours, this coin will be getting shared across social media automatically. The cool thing about this tool is that it hits all the major platforms at once: Twitter, Reddit, Telegram channels, Discord servers, even some smaller crypto communities I didn't even know existed. Way more efficient than trying to do it manually. So time to wait and see what happens. I'll see you in a little bit. With that handled, let's dive into the chart data. Let's pull up our stats. Go to dexscreener.com and pick any random coin. Wait for the interface to fully initialize now. Access Solana Token Labs.io and copy your token-specific address. Return to dexscreener. Overwrite the existing address with yours and execute the search. There it is, our live trading chart. Those minuscule trades showing just bot noise. Focus on the order book instead. I've been waiting for a couple of minutes only, and look what I've came across. We got our first order from a buyer and it's about $60. So far, we are doing incredibly well, but more will come. Trust me on that. After waiting for only 3 minutes, success. Our second real order has already arrived. $73, which is nearly 0.5 SOL. The liquidity right now is at $520 and the market cap is almost at 500 USD, but they'll keep rising. As you can see, the coin has grown by only 10% in just the last 5 minutes, but since it was first paired, it's up by 182% overall. And I know those numbers you see are very low right now, but let's wait a tiny bit more. Incredible, we've got another 0.75 SOL buy that just occurred under 20 seconds. No marketing, no problem. And do you know why? Well, cheer up guys, because this method is infinitely repeatable. I said this was crazy profitable. Oh, something crossed my mind. Let's check out the chart. Adorable. Almost 700% growth. Also check this, the coin was paired 24 minutes ago so far. After another order, I'll rug this coin for sure. Unbelievable. Order number 4 is in. The speed is surpassing expectations. Unreal. We're now hitting the $90 threshold, coming in at 0.59 Solana worth of gains. These results are stupid good. Just for the final showcase, the liquidity is at $830 and the market cap is at 1.1K. The coin was paired only 29 minutes ago and it's already grown by 580% in total. I had to point that out one more time to show how overpowered this method is, because you get all that lovely profit so easily and in such a short time. I'll stop bothering you guys now. I'm officially taking profits at these levels. Let's rug this thing. To exit your position, head over to Raydium. Ensure your wallet is properly connected and press the standard button you'll find at the bottom area. And there is your current position profit time. First, click the minus symbol. Then push that slider to 100%. Ignore everything except the SOL value. Choose Remove Liquidity and Approve. There it is. Confirmation received and money in hand. Nothing beats this high. Check. Phantom Wallet. Turn $200 into $420. Literally effortlessly. Now here's the key takeaway. Transparency check. No ties to any mentioned platforms. This is strictly a how-to demonstration. While this play is working ridiculously well right now, these situations don't last. Want a piece? The moment to strike is immediately, not after you have thought about it for days.